Good morning, everyone. I've got a new fun program, and I think you'll like it. It will work with you on your math facts, and there's lots of games, and it's lots of fun. I signed up for it for our class for free, so you can use it for the next 60 days or until we're back at school. Right now, will go ahead and show you what I've done. This is what you need to put. Here's the address that you need to put in your browser, and it'll take you to this page. When I get here, you need to put my name, and I made it simple. Mrs. period E. Okay, so push go, and you're room 39. So I'm going to go ahead and have you pick, and you'll see all of your names here. Now I am going to log in with my special account, Sonic. Today I'm going to be Sonic the Hedgehog. I'll do the first letter of my first name, first letter of the last name, and then I will give you a number to put at the end of that. So I'm going to log in. You will come to a page that looks like this. It takes a few minutes to load the first time. After that, it's pretty fast. And remember, you can bookmark your page. I'm going to go ahead, and right here it will tell you what percentage every day. Check to see how many you want that to be going up each day. That's the percent of facts fluent. I'm going to push start.
I am Crab. Oh, hello. Welcome to Reef.
Oops, sorry, I had to move my picture. Okay, I'm going to...
My name is Mr. Crab, but you may call me Krabby. Makes no difference to me. Here in Reflex, we will work on making your math reflexes super fast and have a lot of fun doing it. Soon, you will be able to answer facts like 9 times 6 and 72 divided by 9 as quickly as you remember your own name. Do you know what we call a fact when it becomes that easy for you? We call it special name. We call it fluent. I see many fluent facts in your future. Ready to get started? Good! The first thing you do is create Avatar, the reflex version of you. Here we go.
Okay, well, I'm going to actually make one for myself. So I'm a girl. I'm going to make myself nice and tall. So I'll put myself way up here. I'll set it. I'll change my skin tone, and I will give myself some brown hair. And too bad they don't have blue, and I could really be Sonic. Okay, so once you set your avatar, you say yes.
Oh, look at you. Now, let me show you something. Look across the water. Do you see? Yes, this wonderful island full of challenge and adventure. The more you visit island, the faster your math reflexes will become. Would you like to go there? Of course you would. But first, we visit another special place. We are going to my famous fact fair, but I need your help. The fair needs power.
Okay, the first part will have
Help me generate power by typing these numbers as fast as you can.
It really works best if you keep your fingers over the keys. And I'm going to do this really quick.
Good, just like that.
And it's just having you do this. You want to make sure that you're as accurate as possible.
Good, just like that.
And you want to do this part, not your brother or sister. Because then if you have somebody do it that's really fast, it'll go too fast for you.
As fast as you can. power, please.
Okay, I'm going to make some mistakes because I want to get it to stop for me.
You did it! Great work! Come with me.
All right, now it will take you to the game itself.
Welcome to Krabby's Fact Fair. Here you can earn ticket to Reflex Island. How do you earn tickets, you ask? By playing games, of course. The Fact Fair games check to see which facts you already know, which ones you need to work on, and how fast you are becoming. The better you do, the more tokens you will earn. So be sure to answer as quickly as you can. Ready? Let's go into the fair. My friend Dwight will help you get started.
Okay, so you go into the fair.
Oh, hey there. How you doing? Let me introduce myself. My name is Dwight. I work at this here fair. Each day you'll start out here, play some games, and have some good times. Answer as fast as you can, and you'll earn a ticket to the island. We'll have a fun, fantastical time and whatnot, like the crab says. Okay, let's see if you're fast enough for the fact fair today. Type the numbers you see as fast as you can.
Get your fingers ready.
Nice job, Speedy. You're ready for the fact fair games. How many lucky matches can you make? Answering quickly gives you more chances. If you don't know a fact, you'll be able to press the space bar to pass and get a different one.
Okay,
Good luck.
So remember, use the space bar if you don't know it. Okay, so you get a match. I didn't match the cards. Okay. Didn't match any. I got 25. So you play these games, and I'm going to stop it right
Once
there.
you see the pass button, you can skip facts you don't know by pressing the space bar or pressing the button.
Okay, so you'll see that, oh, my cat is trying to play himself. Hi, Jasper. So I'm going to stop it for right now. If I want to stop, I go up here in the top hand corner and push log out. These are also some important buttons. If you want the sound off, or if you want the music off, you can go up here. Oh, I got an island pass, and I'm going to leave it at that, and I'm going to log out for today.
Nice work on first day at...
Now, when you are finished, your parents can log on and they can see, you can log on and show your parents how many of the facts that you're fluent on. I will be checking up on you to see if you're still able to do the facts that we learned. And this is a fun way of practicing. If you have an older brother, an older sister, don't let them play. Tell them that this is your reflex. If they want their own account to see how fast they can play, if you have a little brother or a big brother or sister that want to play, It goes through the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So it will do the facts, and once you've learned them, it'll move you on to the next set. So if you're interested and would like to, I'd love to see you all try it, at least for a couple of days. See what you think. If there are any questions, please have your parents message me on Class Dojo, or I will open my Teams account. I have 4 meetings tomorrow, but I will open my Teams account for a conversation after the Zoom meeting at 4. Take care. I hope you like it. Goodbye.